Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Implantable Chips, Animal Identification and Data Tracking Device, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. The project helps in IoT-based animal data analysis and autonomous tracking in large national parks, forests, and zoos, aiding in monitoring the habitat of various species. A 125 Hz implantable RFID chip is implanted inside a human or animals for scanning. The objective of the project is to track and record data and store it in files or cloud storage servers. The components used to develop this project are a Raspberry Pi 4 or Raspberry Pi Zero over which the system will run. A 125 Hz implantable RFID capsule which is implanted inside the skin of animals or humans safely for scanning. 125 Hz serial RFID reader for interfacing it with Raspberry Pi. A USB FTDI for serially reading data from RFID. A 5V to a DC adapter to power up the system. Apart from this, some jumper wires are used. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is the RFID capsule that can be implanted inside the skin of humans or animals. Here, bring this to the reader and the LED glows. Next, put this RFID chip inside the skin of an orange and you can see on bringing close to the reader, LED blinks. That means it can read it even from inside the skin. This is how you can keep a track on animals saved in a Google Sheet. Interested in developing your own animal identification and data tracking device? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.